Hello, Paul Tchaikovsky here, Cloud Services Black Belt at Red Hat. I want to show you a demonstration of using OpenShift Dev Spaces running on top of Azure Red Hat OpenShift, connecting to Azure OpenAI as a code assistant to not only write an application, but to also deploy that application to OpenShift. You can see here I have an Aero cluster already up and running, and I also have an Azure OpenAI service up and running. So I can go straight to my VS Code here. So this is running inside of the OpenShift cluster. And I have a prompt pre-written here that I'm going to paste into root code, and we will see if we can get an application. So it's going to start creating requirements.txt to install Flask. It will probably then create a virtual environment, and it'll deploy the requirements.txt into it, and then it should write the application. There we go. It'll probably try and test it. It looks like it's tested it, and it looks like it is trying to create a build. Okay, so it created a build, and now it's doing starting that build. So that means it'll upload the Docker file it created, the application requirements, and it should build a container for us that can then be deployed into a deployment. Okay, the build looks to be done. Looks like it just created the application for it, and now it's trying to expose a service. And look, it did the curl, and it responded with hello world. So that means it worked. And now it has given us a final response. It's given us the URL here, which we can click on. Right roll. Oh, I bet you it is HTTP instead of HTTPS. There we go. Done.